So apparently today I'm going to show you how to win Mother. So what you need, the best way to win Mother. So what you need is to have a PC, a laptop or a computer, and you need to have Microsoft 10. Get the Microsoft 10 Roblox player, and once when you get the Microsoft 10 Roblox player, you can you can you can log into your out account at the same time. Um, so the reason why I'm telling you the best way to win Mother is if is because if you want to play a real game and you don't want to, cheat by grinding and telling everyone to not to kill one another, knowing the best way to win Mother would give you a huge advantage than playing like how a typical player does. And yeah, there's multiple strategies, but I will tell you two of the best strategies. So it's really hard to control your out account at the same time as your other account. So what you meant to do is that you have to make sure that your out account has at least 10 escapes to get to high quality farm. If it doesn't, then you could do the same. Then you can grind for low quality farm. And yeah, apparently no one's going to high quality farm. And apparently, um, oh my god, wait. Okay. So apparently for high quality farm, um, oh my god, apparently what you do, because it's really hard to control your out account at the same time as um as your as your main account, you sacrifice your out account, and what you do is that you get your out account and you bring it to Mother and you try to take the key from Mother and you unlock the door. And the reason why is because it's much more harder to do it if you're trying to act like an NPC and have Mother with you at the same time. So you're just gonna sacrifice your out account for that. Let me see my age for my out account. I'm age 12. Oh, wait, that's not my out account. Okay, this is my out account. Oh my god, I was about to kill myself. I mean, not in real life, but in the game. The key! Yeah, that's the one bad thing about this strategy, is that someone else may take the key. So, this girl with the so what's she doing? I feel like I just want to follow this girl around. Ye- It's like, it's funny how people in Roblox have bad internet and they lag so bad. I don't want. Yeah, my God. Um, so get the key. So another thing to mind is that if you have, like, this is from my experience, but I don't know if it's really true, but it's from what I've seen. If you have a higher age, it's easier for you to get the key from mother. Okay, someone unlock the door. I feel like I just want to go back to that girl that went through. How can someone unlock the door and not even take the map? That's so stupid. Okay, so once when you get the key and you unlock the door with your out account that you sacrifice in the high quality server, um, you have to get the map. And once when you get the map, you get the map for everyone. So when another player, so on your main account, if you make a shovel, and to make a shovel, you need. Let me read. Okay, and to make a shovel, what you need is a rock and a stick. And this is why I say that you should be doing some quests. So if you do, you have to do like at least some quests, get a stick and a rock. And when that happens, you'll also get other items like a bandage or a bed sheet or something. You can also do daily tasks to get like a bandage. Um, and what I'm saying is, if you like go and get a shovel and stuff, maybe make sure at least you have like one bandage because from my experience, I've seen more bed sheets spawn than I've seen more bed sheets spawn. Like these players are so dumb. They read in front of the mother and they're like, "See, this is what I hate about low quality farm. Everyone is so stupid." Okay, I've seen more bed sheets spawn in shovel in the the digging area than bandages, even though it's supposed to be random. So at least make sure that you have like one bed sheet or one bandage. But I recommend to have like one bandage, and you can like like you can you don't necessarily need to have another rock when you're trying to have like a shovel. I mean, when you're trying to dig, you don't have to make sure that you have another rock because I've seen I've seen rocks spawn in the digging area. Like you could just rely on the digging area to get rocks, and it's much more easier that way than to get it from quests. So yeah. So what I mean is, you don't have to make sure that you have a rock before you dig, but at least have one bandage or one bed sheet. Well, at least get one bandage, at, which is very easy to get from the daily task. From the daily task, because the easiest daily tasks that I'll show you on this account. Oh my god, she didn't even kill me when I was like literally right there. So there's this task, hang out the washing, and from this task you're meant to get a bed sheet, but it's very like, but it takes so long, and it's very hard to get away with. Like mother can see you do this task, and it's one of the harder tasks. Oh my god. Let me get my other account because I'm not bothered reading. There's another task called take care of the babies, and I'll show you. I'll show you what it does. Okay, so for every baby that cries, you're meant to take care of them, and you press E, and it's so easy to just look like an NPC from this task. So I recommend to do this daily task when you're trying to get at least one item. See, and you get a bandage from it. Over here, this hanging the bed sheets. When you do this task, you get bed sheet. You get bed sheet, but it's much more harder to get away with doing this task because other can see you at any time, and it takes kind of long. So yeah, my point is to win mother. The best way to win mother is to have Microsoft 10 and get the Microsoft 10 player. Get an out account that has at least 10 escapes so that you can go to high quality server. And with your out account, you sacrifice it to unlock the key on the door, and you get the map uh, there as well. And then with your main account, you obviously you do whatever you can, find a candle, read at night, or you can read if you spawn in the library or if you're near the library and you have present and you see that mother's far away, and and talk to players and get at some items, and make sure that you get a rock and a stick, and then you make a shovel, and because your out account took the map, if you just bring out the shovel, you already know where the spots are. So, and after when that happens, um, you get a bandage from the daily task. Well, first, after when you get a shovel, you get a bandage from the daily task if you don't already have a bandage already. And because it's like, because when you dig, you get free random items, so it's better to get a guaranteed item from the daily task than, you know, and then getting randomized item. And then you try to get the rocks from the um the shovel digging area. And if you don't have a bedsheet, you also try to get a bedsheet. And then after that, you make a rope and zip line, and then you escape. I'll show you how to make weapons. Save me. Mm. Oh my god, look at mother. So to make a rope, you have to have one rock and one bedsheet. But before you make, but you use that rock to make a hook. And once when you make a hook, you need a hook and a bedsheet to make a rope. And for you to make a zip line, you need a bandage and a rock to make a zip line. So once when you have like two rocks, one bandage and one zip line, you can go and